We are Hagie Manufacturing. We've been around 65 years, founded in 1947, and we're at about 385 employees today. We're basically an ag company. We build application equipment for crop fields. I had gotten involved with the CIRAS Advisory Council, a little reluctantly at first, not knowing what it was, but was very grateful that I did. Mostly involving, hearing and seeing exactly what happens at the CIRAS level and how they're working very closely with Iowa State and making sure that there is a good connection between CIRAS and Iowa State.
As Hagie's area account manager for CIRAS, I started out meeting with Alan, understanding the strategies as the new CEO of the company, and we talked about long-term where he wanted the company to go, what things he wanted to be innovative with. And so we started to look at different opportunities throughout the CIRAS staff expertise, throughout Iowa State, through the research community, the faculty, connecting with the laboratories, and overall the cultural changes that Alan saw that he needed here at Hagie.
I think a lot of the work we've done with CIRAS over the years to better understand our capacities and our bottlenecks and all that stuff really helped us to establish, does it make sense to buy this new equipment? Just like we bought two new lasers, we were outsourcing a lot. We had to evaluate that significantly. A $1.3 million purchase, we have to evaluate that pretty good to make sure that it makes sense. And I think a lot of the work we've done with CIRAS has made us understand how to evaluate those purchases and make sure that they're the right move for the organization.
We've spent the last couple of years doing several different projects with Iowa State. One in particular had been the VRAC experience that we did with customers, doing a voice of customer survey. We also have done some structural testing utilizing the structures lab in the civil engineering. We've also used CIRAS as a resource to get involved in training such as lean product development and also project management. Those tools are extremely important to us because they cut down on a significant amount of what I'll call wasted time potentially in the design process that can otherwise be spent on continuing other innovations here at Hagie. For our 2014 model year changes, we have three kind of major changes going on. We have a change to our engine platform layout.
I think the biggest thing that drew us to CIRAS is we wanted to see an outside perspective. Industry experts that CIRAS has, they were able to take a fresh look at this company and see what the opportunities were. That we could really look at all the different aspects of the company and help us solve problems that we had.
CIRAS is just one means through Iowa State University Extension and Outreach where Iowans themselves can connect to the university and the great things going on there. We work with companies like Hagie Manufacturing to grow and prosper in their community where they're at so they can maintain their headquarters in a town like Clarion and connect to the university research and technical assistance, helping them to grow and prosper.
The relationship with CIRAS that Hagie Manufacturing has had over the last 8 years has been very critical to our success. It's about looking at it from a fresh perspective. We're here every day. We see these same things over and over again. We may overlook things. We may not see that we have an opportunity in this area. But CIRAS has opened our eyes in a lot of ways, and it's been a good relationship.